Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make bread dessert at home. First, let's gather our essential ingredients. You'll need about 4 slices of day-old bread, 2 large eggs, 1 cup of milk, and a 1/4 cup of sugar. These simple items form the foundation of many delightful bread-based treats. We'll also discuss optional flavorings like a teaspoon of vanilla extract or a half teaspoon of ground cinnamon to elevate your dessert. Now, let's prepare our main components. Begin by cutting your stale bread into 1-inch cubes or simply tearing it into small, bite-sized pieces. This helps the bread absorb the custard evenly. In a separate bowl, whisk together your 2 large eggs, 1 cup of milk, and a 1/4 cup of sugar until well combined. Don't forget to add your chosen flavorings, like vanilla or cinnamon, to this creamy custard mixture. It's time to bake your delicious creation. Pour the soaked bread mixture into a greased 8x8-inch baking dish. Bake it in a preheated oven at 350 degrees Fahrenheit for about 30 to 40 minutes. Look for a beautiful golden brown top and a custard that is set in the center. You can also get creative by adding 1/4 cup of raisins, chopped nuts, or even chocolate chips before baking for extra flavor. Finally, the best part, serving and enjoying your homemade bread dessert. This treat is absolutely delightful served warm, perhaps with a generous scoop of vanilla ice cream or a dollop of freshly whipped cream. For an extra touch of indulgence, consider drizzling it with a tablespoon of warm caramel sauce or simply dusting it with a teaspoon of powdered sugar. Store any leftovers in an airtight container in the refrigerator for up to 3 days.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.